senator of Northern Nigeria.
I am the police coverage state police command.
My Naija people don bring Ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Neyi. Make a sharply yarn on a story wey be say it just happened. Senator Ojuzo Kalu don come out to come dey yarn say wetin he know be say President Bola Ahmed Tinubu go win Abia State for the 2027 general election. Say but him believe say Alex Oti na good governor and Alex Oti go win for inside Abia State. As he come dey talk say but true say Alex Oti no dey work with All Progressive Congress. So say na wetin he know. Now he come out to come dey yarn. He come out to come yarn this talk on top one-on-one with Shehu. During wey be say Shehu dey interview him for on top Channels TV. Now he come out come dey yarn this talk.
I'm asking you, Senator, can Tinubu win in your Abia State?
Sure.
With Alex Oti on the seat?
Yes.
And its popularity?
Yes.
Do you see Alex Oti returning?
Yes.
Alex Oti will win the governorship?
Yes.
But your party will win the presidency?
Yes.
Are you in alliance with Alex Oti?
No.
Is he working with your party?
No.
The Afrobeat star will be David Adeleke, aka Davido, don come out to come the campaign for his uncle, will be the Osun State governor, will be Ademola Adeleke. As he come out to come the talk, say no violence or no intimidation, go fit make them not come out to come vote, to come the beg all the youths them, say make all of them, make them come out to come vote for the Ogbonge governor, will be the dancing senator Ademola Adeleke. As he come out to come do this press conference, he come they beg all the youth them, say may they reject any form of violence and may they embrace it to come out to come vote peacefully on the day of the election.
We're on here for one reason. It's for the executive governor of Osun State. One of the best, if not the best governor to ever have ruled this state. We have our projects to show for it. We have our integrity to show for it.
A Calabar police doctor arrest this female native doctor after the talk say they see 3 children. They will say they don't buy for inside the house of the female native doctor for Umuaduba village for Idan, a community inside Idemili North local government area of Anambra State. As they come out come they talk, say the children they in between the age of 6 to 15 years old, where they see for inside the woman will be native doctor, where they popularly call for inside the area that they call Amo Ezenwani, will be prophetess of the goddess. As they come out contact say like this, say they don't arrest them. As they call back police go continue to the touchlight them. And now August 40, 2026, so now the Anambra State Calabar Police come out contact, say they don't arrest her. The Scottish immigration officers don't come the touchlight, they launch investigation on top 4 Ugandan boxers. Then we say the talk say they don't they miss after they finish their competition of on top the Commonwealth game where they do for inside Glasgow. Now so they come out come they talk say they don't they find 4 of them and they never see them. So after their competition where they do for on top the Commonwealth, now so they come to Ama, they run. As they continue to touchlight this matter to make sure say they go know where they run, they enter. Ogbonge fire don come happen for inside Abudu Street along that University Road for inside Lagos State. As they come out come they talk say this fire take happen on August 50, 2026, but they never really know the cause of this fire as at when we take the yarn this story. But when we dey yarn this story, fire service is not even turned out for ground to show say they go try to quench this fire for them. The Nigerian army don come arrest, come detain these 2 soldiers them where they come out come talk, say they go join body to go do security for on top Pella wedding and Jarvis wedding, we say they do on Saturday, will be August 1st, 2026. As they come out to come the yarn, they say they don't arrest them, say because not be their work to go to do security for on top person wedding. When I make the Nigerian army, they come out come talk, say they don't arrest these 2 soldiers them and they go prosecute them. Now on Tuesday will be August 4th, 2026. Now Nigerian army come out come yarn this talk. The Port Shanty Sheriff Office for Special Victim Unit don come arrest, come charge 42 years old Timothy Shanifield, will be pastor of St. James United American Free Will Baptist Church. After they come out come talk, saying go they nag the anus of 14 years old boy, come give him HIV. As they come out come talk say like this, say they don't arrest him and they will continue to the judge this matter, say because he go for snack anus of 14 years old boy, can't give the boy HIV. The president of Arewa Youth for inside northern Nigeria don't come out to come they draw hand for ear, come they turn the NDC presidential candidate will be Mr. Peter Obi say no northern state go fit vote for am on top the 2027 general election. Say make him not just waste in time. Say because all the north them nobody go come out to come vote for am. As in come out, come the yarn this talk on Wednesday will be August 50, 2026 to pass message to the NDC presidential candidate will be Mr. Peter Obi. Say like that. Say no go fit win any election for inside north.
Peter Obi should count northern Nigeria out of his campaign zone. No single state in northern Nigeria will vote Peter Obi for 2027 presidential election.
This Nigerian mama don come out to come celebrate his own son as he come carry goat come go celebrate the son the day we say the son dey sign out after they don finish their exam as he carry this goat to honor the son say use am to celebrate the son on that very day say because the son na the greatest of all time wey be goat. Na so plenty of the students all of them come dey snap picture, they snap the woman, they video the woman, why some of them come they hate the woman. Say she try well, say this thing, say they very recommendable. Why some Nigerians they come out come they talk say better Osun go happen for inside the school because they go buy this good to use them, they enjoy themselves. The Plateau State Calabar Police Command don arrest another suspect who they talk say join body take move by the ogbonge model wey be in name be 25 years old model wey they call him Ibrahim Mbaya for inside Jos after they come out come talk say thief-talize phone wey be say they not really see the phone for in hand. Now Calabar Police come out come talk say they will continue to arrest plenty of the suspects wey say they join body take move by am as they come show this one wey say them arrest wey be 24 years old wey name be Yusuf Christopher Besekeni wey be the student of University of Jos Faculty of Art Studies of Association. Now they talk say they don't arrest am take join the other three wey be say they don't arrest already.
So today we have Christopher Yusuf Besekeni, a 24-year-old student of the University of Jos who participated in the time.
The Economic and Financial Account Commission will be EFCC don't confirm or say true say they don't freeze the account of the Osun State government as a come out come talk say why they take that action now to stop the wetin they call am say na alleged fraudulent handling of 11 billion naira wey be say the Osun State government get. Say na made them they freeze am say they will continue to touchlight this matter to know wetin go really happen. But plenty Nigerians don't come out come dey provoke say they not get any right to freeze the account. Say that one is intimidation to the Osun State government just because say they not be under All Progressive Congress.
Now Bishop News O'Clock, my name is Nanehi. Make una enjoy your day.